And here's a real feel-good story. A group of Everton residents have pulled their 350 Rand social grants to launch a bakery. A stokvel founded by Vaal businessman Sibusiso Ntsele has turned the social grant recipients into shareholders. The residents now pool their grants, run the bakery that they co-own, creating jobs and paying wages in their community. 5 months since it was launched, Isinkwa Sethu is operational, growing and challenging how South Africans think about grant money. Newsroom Africa, Sitelis Wabeja has a story.
Isinkwa Sethu Bakery is operational, growing and challenging how South Africa thinks about grant money. 5 months since its launch, Vaal businessman Sibusiso Ntsele says the project is necessary to help combat rampant unemployment in Everton.
In the history of Vaal, it's a community where unemployment is rife. So I thought of an idea that can alleviate poverty within the Vaal and create employment. Obviously, abantu baseVaal abasebenzi, but the only source of income that we have is the 370. So I then thought, you know what, Isinkwa all around South Africa is supported. If in a number of 60-point-something million people, abantu bathenga isinkwa, maybe 40 million people buy bread, you can imagine how much is that. And that money is not benefiting any of us in the black communities. I then thought, let's create something that will give people employment, shareholding, so that at least they have a long-term beneficiation.
To date, Ntsele says the stokvel has hired over 30 employees. The majority are related to shareholders who are grant recipients investing in the project.
Isicholo investment stokvel started 3 years ago, and our biggest people who've been part of Isicholo, abantu abadala, you know, abogogo and abomama, abobaba, you know, people of mid-40s, mid-50s, mid-60s. But interestingly, so Isicholo have attracted youth since the start of Isinkwa Sethu campaign, which was the core plan. You would at least abatsha bethu le 370 ka President asinika yona singadlali ngayo ngokuthi mhlambi etshwaleni and all of that. So I wanted them to understand the value of money.
My mom, she's a shareholder, so I'm under her cash ka hoba a shareholder. Ke beneficiary. Ola investor ka tšhelete ya 350 lane. I utlwa from radio hore hona le Isinkwa Sethu 350 drive. So abesenza are le nomlebeng I want to invest on that Isinkwa Sethu. So we started there, and then athola dividend tsa high, and re thusitse ka tlung re kgona reka all the necessary needs tse re hlokang for ka tlung.
Ke qetile sekolo last year, then ntse ke dutse mara for solanka ntse ke tsa driving license code 14. So gona ka ba utlwa ka Isicholo investment mo Thethe FM. Then I invest and took off ka 350. Then we were Thethe man Golden Gardens. Then after be re bitswa ho tlo bula bikara. Then be khutla gape ho tlo bula grocer. Then be bangodisa mabitso a rona fatshe ba re batho ba investile ba tonka 90% about ba investile. Le 10% about ba se investor. Then bankile 90% about ba investile le 10% ba re ba tlo bula shop engwe gape zone 7.
Down the road, local spaza shops and food outlets are stocking Isinkwa Sethu bread.
Isinkwa ngina 2 months. 2 months isinkwa ngiqalile ukusithengisa. Abantu basithanda kakhulu sisisa. Nangaphambi kokuba ngiqala ukusithengisa ngagqugquzelwa yiwo amakhasimende ami ukuthi hey kunento esiyidingayo esizwa ngayo ku radio okuthiwa Isinkwa Sethu. Ngabe sengiyaqala ke ngiyaxhomana no Babu Ntsele ngocingo waqala wangideliverela. And then ke Isinkwa Sethu abantu basithanda kakhulu.
Community members say they are impressed by both the bread's price and its quality.
One thusa bogotho bona haholo. Bona nnete bo monate. Ha bo tshwane le bona bo bong. One thusa haholo le bana ba ka ba ja bona. Ha le hana jwalo bona ke bo rekile. Magotho a mang ha ke a qete mara bona bo a fela le beke nyane ne ke gomme motho a boto bo reka ke la ka boqeta ka boja ka boqeta mara ana mang a ke a qete ya ba bola.
Ntsele says 2 more township businesses are set to launch soon.
When we started the campaign, we said no, 350 for one campaign, which was the bakery. Then now we are coming to another campaign of the grocery shop. And then next week from Monday, we are opening other 350s again. Now this is for another round of businesses, outlets that are going to be opened.
Ntsele is calling on other communities to replicate this model. For Newsroom Africa, Channel 405, I am Sitheli Swapeja in Everton in southern Gauteng.